Hi there, my name is Genevieve from Davao City, Philippines, and this video will be posted at TheHubPost.com, that's TheHubPost.com, and today we'll be making a Filipino dish called Pancit.
Here's our ingredients. Oyster sauce, pepper, beef, we have onions, garlic, chicken, carrots, cabbage, Pancit Canton, soy sauce, palm oil, using water, and chicken cubes for seasoning. In Filipino cuisine, pancit are noodles. The term pancit is derived from the Hokkien "I sit," which literally means convenient food. Here's how to cook it. Heat oil in a wok or cooking pot. Sauté garlic and onion. Cook until the onion gets soft. Put the beef and chicken. Alternatively, you can put the pork, shrimp, or fish. And add ground black pepper and salt. Stir fry for 5 to 10 minutes or until the meat is brown. Add soy sauce and water. Stir fry for another 5 minutes. Continue stirring. Now once it boils up, add carrots, oyster sauce, and pour chicken broth. Let it boil. Add the flour sticks or Pancit Canton. Cover it and cook for 2 to 5 minutes. Toss the noodles and let it absorb the broth. Continue to cook until all the noodles absorb the liquid. And lastly, put the cabbage. Stir and cook until the sauce gets thick. And voila! Serve with calamansi or lime and enjoy the food.
And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Bye!